Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 9. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Mr. Vice Chairman, Sir, the central question of security in a society amongst people in nations requires that we be very clear as to what we mean when we use the words national security. Stop. National security has many ramifications. Stop. It would be simplistic to reduce it to purely the military angle. Stop. A discussion like this is not a discussion which limits itself to the concept of spend more, spend less on defense. Stop. Like in the relationship between law and justice, it is not axiomatic that merely because we spend money and have forces, therefore we have security. Stop. The concept is of deep and multifaceted ramifications. Stop. I would seek your indulgence, sir, to quote on the aspects of national security, sir, the commonly articulated Defense Ministry's viewpoint, as is evident every year, is the defense budget is to preserve as inviolate the frontiers of the nation and its internal sovereignty. Stop. This is the commonly articulated definition of national security. Stop. To my mind, this is limited both in vision and in application. Of course, the maintenance of internal sovereignty is very much a function of our armed forces. Stop. But national security is not merely the preservation of the territorial integrity of our frontiers. Stop. National security involves the preservation of values, the lifestyle and civilization concern. Stop. The purely military aspect of a nation's security is therefore only a small but an integral component of a much larger concern. Stop. And even internally, the task is much more than a mere physical safeguarding of our boundaries. Stop. Our central concern when we talk about security is with the preservation of the Indian nation, and until we are clear about the core values of our nationhood and are able not only to articulate them but also to obtain a national commitment to them, we would not even know what it is that we are attempting to protect or to secure. Stop. These core values might well be destroyed if the nation is subjected to external aggression. Stop. But in today's world, aggression or imperialism has many ramifications. Stop. It is a finely sophisticated weapon and it need not necessarily reflected itself merely in the form of physical aggression. Stop. Therefore, when one is talking of national security concerns, one is talking of the military angle, one is talking of the industrial angle. It is my belief, sir, that the most vital component into a nation's security effort is internal. Stop.